Yeah, and it's a generally dry forecast here. There will be a couple of spots, in case you missed me talking about it earlier. We're tracking a few isolated showers. Good visibility out there, sky view right now. You can see the cameras shaking just a little bit down there at the ocean front. Our DQ camera showing scarcity of people on the beach. I saw one person. Speaking of things not showing up very in abundance, some rain. There are areas off to the north where we've seen a line of showers move in, and that line has really fallen apart. So now, at the most, we're expecting a couple of isolated showers here in the next hour or two, at least for the southern areas. Northern spots, maybe a stray shower. In general, I'm going to lower the odds from around 15% down to 10% of a stray shower this evening. Otherwise, really the big news, breezy conditions, chilly temperatures falling to 47. And then getting even colder than that later tonight, as we'll talk about. Right now, temperatures pretty uniform. We have a lot of low 50s here. Low to mid 50s, really. You have a couple of 40s up there to the north, and then down to the south, also a lot of mid 50s. So as I said, most of our area in a fairly tight range. A little cooler to the north. Those spots only up a couple of degrees, but the rest of us are up anywhere from 7 to 10, even 12 degrees above where we were at this exact hour yesterday. Notice one or two of those isolated showers or sprinkles showing up on the next hour or two on radar. Doubt that they'll make it to the ground in most spots. So again, a very low chance of rain. All of that moves offshore then a little bit later this evening, and conditions get cold. Mid 30s with lower 30s for the areas that are inland or rural. And then tomorrow remains below normal, decent amount of sunshine, but high temperatures will struggle to get up near 50. Tomorrow night, a very weak system moves in, and that brings us a slight chance of a stray shower or maybe even a stray flurry, but those odds are probably only 10 to 15 or 20% at the most as well. And then a cold start to the day on Friday with readings way down into the 30s. And then Friday afternoon, we're going to climb back up again, only into the upper 40s. Here's that big storm system again affecting the northeast, not really having an impact around here other than that stray sprinkle and a little bit of a gusty wind behind it causing some lower temperatures. So tonight, seasonably cold, clearing skies down to 35, a little colder if you're inland or rural. Tomorrow, struggling to hit 50, cool for this time of year. Still a decent amount of sunshine until late in the day when we see partly cloudy skies arrive and that slight chance of a shower or a flurry or a sprinkle, mainly west of us. Upper 20s, though, for rural and inland areas. Tomorrow night, Friday, 52, continued cool, mostly sunny. Then the 7-day forecast, you can see it's going to be 52 on Friday. 13% chance of a shower with 54 for the high on Saturday. Sunday, rain developing, 60% risk of that, only 48 though, and then a possible mix mainly well inland, we think, early in the day on Monday, and then we start to rebound Tuesday. But even that day, 51 is not up to normal, which as you can see in the upper right-hand corner there is 55.